How to change your phone number on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your phone number on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change your phone number on Amazon, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open the Amazon shopping application here. And once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're gonna see this type of interface. So to change our phone number, just tap the account icon first of all from here, from the bottom center. Then you can see the option that says your account, so just tap on your account option. And when you go to the your account option here, you're gonna see this type of interface where under account settings you'll find an option that says login and security. So go to login and security here. Once you go to login and security, you'll find an option here that says primary mobile number. If you have already added a mobile number, you'll find the edit button here. But in my case, I'm seeing an add button, but I have not added it, that's why. So if you're seeing the edit button, tap on it, enter the new phone number that you'd like to use, just tap and continue, verify with the OTP code, and then you're able to change your phone number on Amazon. This way you can change your phone number on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.